Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And here I'm Ghazwan Sabrindarto. And for today's video, I will make a tutorial a new tutorial video about IoT things. And for now, for the IoT things, maybe we will use a software. Then it's called Wokwi. And in there, we can program a whole thing in there from IoT thing like the sensor, and maybe we can choose the board too. And the second thing is we're gonna make a tutorial of IoT about a greenhouse. Yes, a greenhouse. So for the sensor that we gonna use, it will be the HT22, and for the board, we'll use ESP32 or not MCU maybe. Okay, next. Without any further to do, so let's get into it. Okay. So first, we need to open our Chrome here. As you can see here, I've opened my Chrome. And wait, this the whole thing that we're gonna make. Here we have the DHT22 and here ESP32, and it's all the program that I have made. So maybe I'll just gonna explain later when we're gonna make this tutorial. Here, we need to use the third party the fruit, but maybe we're just going to make this without the other fruit. Okay. So first, you're still looking for a software or a website. It's called Wokwi.com. Here, Wokwi.com. Wait. It's gonna take some time. Wait, it will be a few minutes. So while we waiting, maybe I'll just told you a few things here. Nah, okay, never mind. So before we gonna make these ESP things, first we need to log in. As you can see before, there was sign in button here, but because I have logged in now, so I'm just gonna click here, and this is my account. Yes, I know it's kind of weird. This goofy cat. Next, we're gonna click my project here. If you put and if you put a wrong account, maybe you can just click log out, or maybe you don't like the language. You want to looking for your own language. Here, there are a few things here like English until this Portuguese. Next, okay, without taking any long time. So for starting the tutorial, we're just going to go to my project here. But wait, it's gonna take some time too, because the internet is not that good here. Okay, so the main point is when I click my project, or maybe we're just gonna open on another tab. Yes. So while we're waiting here, we're gonna go here. So for the DXT, we can there are three pins here. Of course, there is going to be GND and VCC. Okay. So because we going to make a new project, so we're gonna just start here and click new project here. Okay. So after we click this new project, we're gonna click this ESP32 here. It's gonna be ESP32. Or if you want to use the other board, it's maybe you can use I see the tutorial there. So for this project, we're gonna go to ESP32. After that, for the beginner templates, we're gonna use Arduino. Now here, if you're new to program, on all programming things, there will be a setup void and a loop void loop. So as you can see on this thing is only a node. So put your setup code here. So before we're gonna start code or put some code, we just gonna put some setup code here. Like here for ESP32, the serial begin it will be 115200, and this only a print, I don't know. And for void loop, if you don't know what is void loop, you can see here. Put your main code. So the main focus or on void loop, it will be for what main code. Okay, we're just gonna delete all first. Nah. So before we get into the uh, code, maybe we're just going to add DHTs. We're just going to add DHT. Yes, this one DHT22, and we're gonna put here. So we're going to go to the wiring. So for the wiring for VCC or plus, we will put it on. Wait, hold on. Click this thing. Wait, why is it not working? Hmm, wait. No. So we're just going to use D2 here and put it on SDA. Next up, because we using D2, so it will be around 4 for the pin. And next, 5 volt. For 5 volt, we're going to put it on VCC because VCC and 5 volt is the same plus. And which one is no GND? For the first GND, of course we're going to put it on the GND or ground because it's minus. Next, we're going to go to library manager here. Wait. Let me see first. On library manager, we're going to add ESP Wi-Fi manager here. ESP. Wait, we're going to looking for it first. ESP Wi. Oh, wait. Wi-Fi. What? Wait, hold on. Oh, ESP underscore Wi-Fi manager, not the light one. ESP Wi-Fi manager. Then we're going to use this Adafruit if you want to use a third party. So we're just going to type it. Adafruits. Adafruits. What Adafruits? Adafruits IO. Here one. Arduino. Next. The next thing is we're gonna put DHT22. So we're going here again. Click this thing and DHT22. Not this one. We're going to put DHT22. Next, because we haven't put this DHT sensor library, so DHT sensor library. Now, this one, we have put the DHT22 and DHT sensor library here. So it's cool. All the libraries, it's complete. Next, we're going to go to sketch.io. Okay, sketch.io. So if we want to code, we're just going to use like constanta or define or include. It can be, but in here we're just going to use an include. So for the main code, it will be include. So include Wi-Fi, include Adafruit, include TSC, blah blah blah. So it's like only like making a new variable or something. Okay. So the function of this 3-line code is only for naming a variable. Next, this. We're going to set up the DHT sensor. We're going to go right here. Oh, it's wrong. Wait. Nah, we're just going to go here. So for this thing, cons in DHT pin equal 14. But because we're not going to use this pin 14, so we're just going to use D2, and D2 equals 4. Yes. So for the DHT pin, it will be 4. Next up, it's only for setting up the DHT pin. Next up, on the next thing is installation for the DHT sensor. We're just going to put this code on 8 following that. So DHT pin, DHT22. So the main point of this code, the 8 and 9 line, it's only for installation the DHT sensor. Next up, it's all about define. This the important thing here. The 11 and 12. Wait. Nah. For this define, we need this because It's important. It's need a Wi-Fi here. And this one IO thing. If you're using a third party like other fruit, you need this thing to make it work. Like my IO username is GRSI, and for my IO key, it's this thing. But we're not gonna use this. So maybe if you want to use that, you can look for the tutorial. There are a lot of that. And 1718 until 22, we're just going to use this. Okay. So 17 until 17 is 17 until 18. So for the 17 and 18 line, it only works for connect to Wi-Fi and other fruit to handle. If you're using other fruit, this kind of important too, as you can see here. And for 20 until 22, it's only for sending a value to your other fruit if you're using third party. Next up, here 24 delay. So for this thing, it's only like a delay, as you can see here too. Unsigned lock previous time 0 and delay time. So for the delay time, it will be 1 second per one this thing here. It will show in later. It will be 1 second in next. So we're just going to the void setup. I'm just gonna do. I mean, copy all it. Yes, void setup. I'm just gonna what explain to you what is void setup. So if sorry, if you don't know what is void setup, so void setup is like the setup of your code as I explained to you before. So here void setup, the first serial begin 115200. So for 115200, because the ESP serial begin it will start or serial number it's 115200. So it must be the same as your board. See, as you can see the serial port here. Next, connect to other port IO connect nah. So if you're using third party, as I said before, you need this code too. And this wait for connection while IO status uh, close IO connected. So this for the waiting connection, a code, and next up. After that, it will delay 1 second and print dot, and it will show connecting to Wi-Fi ID. And next, this all serial print, so it will show. Wait, it will show around here, as you can see here, connected to Wi-Fi ID and dot blah blah blah. Next up, this thing, if it's already connected, so it will show this thing or this printing, this text, connected to Wi-Fi. So if your program here successfully connect to Wi-Fi, the connecting to Wi-Fi text will show up on your screen. This installing this DHT sensor. So that's all for the void setup. Next, we're just going to void loop. So for void loop or line 47 until the end here, I'm just gonna explain it. Wait. Until 75. Wait guys. So here 40 47. Yes, 47 until 75. It's all about the main code. So when IO run, it will read the temperature. So the DHT sensor will read the temperature around him and the humidity. And next, the second code it's for check if any reads failed. So if any reads failed, it will show this serial printed or this text failed to read from the HT sensor and return to this thing again until it's can basically 100% run successful. Next, and if again, if miles previous time will delay time. So for the temperature and humidity. And this for the serial print for temperature and humidity. Later I'll just explain this if we successfully run the code. So here for compiling your code, you can click this green button here. Look, and it will take a few minutes. Just wait. It usually take around 1 minute or something, or maybe more than that, or less than that. It's depend on the connection. It's going 15 second. Wait, I hope it's working. Okay, so let's just wait first here. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I hope it's working. Wait, guys, hold on. It's take kind of long time here. Okay, maybe it's more than a minute. Maybe I'll just gonna go to this page because all of these things are the same. Maybe okay. So maybe because the connection problem maybe because I have opened this and it's going to be the same like that things. So I will restart from this thing. So it's going to be the same. Okay, so here from our code the connecting to Wi-Fi, it will print this thing connecting to Wi-Fi until it's really successfully connected. Then if it's really connected, it will show a text or our value from this thing. Just wait a second first. It will work. I'm just gonna close this thing. Still connecting to Wi-Fi. Wait, hold on, guys. So if it's already connect, it will give a serial print here. I'm just gonna stop this first and retry the compile. So maybe it will take a kind of long time to connect to the Wi-Fi. Yes, I hope I have Wi-Fi. Yes, I have a Wi-Fi in here. So we're just going to wait a few minutes here. Nah, so it has successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi ID. So here is the value. As example, if the DHT, what if the DHT feel the temperature is higher, or maybe feel the temperature is around 40, it will show on the screen or our monitor thing 40.7. It's the same like the DHT thing. And next, if the DHT detect that the humidity around him is only 13.5, it will show 13.5 too. So I hope this tutorial uh, can be beneficial for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe I'll just gonna give the code on the description if you want to try this thing too. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm Ghazwan Sabrina. Hope you guys enjoy my video. And thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and comment maybe. Or maybe subscribe too. Thank you guys for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.